Alright, let's check out a few things here. Scoping out this new area. We're headed up the hill here. This kind of got my attention. This tree is arched over and pinned right under that tree there. And this tree did come down, or maybe brought it down and pinned it. I'm not sure, but it's quite a distance over that way. There is a branch that comes over this way, so maybe it did get caught on this tree. But it's a nice arch, and it's nicely tucked in there. Behind that, got these two down trees here, which is natural. I think those happened naturally and possibly a long time ago, but got this guy stuffed right in between here, and it's leaned up on this tree that's down. And I don't see anywhere where it might have grown. Maybe it's all covered up under here already, but not sure. That kind of got my attention. Like it was brought in and placed there. We got something else pretty small over here that I thought was cool. I always keep an eye out for the small stuff also. So we got these 3 trees. They're all like fused together. It's like they grew together. Got this thing leaning up here on that. But in here we got this. I don't think this happened naturally. It's almost like a star. And I've seen marked trees, big trees, marked with small little stuff like that. I really like that there too. That's why I decided to make this little vid. We're gonna check out some other areas and see what's going on.